If you're dealing with clogged or slow drain lines in Florida homes, knowing how to properly vacuum and prime your drain pan can totally save you from a big headache. So, when you vacuum the drain line from the outside, it's super important to add water back in the pan. That's what they call purging, by the way. You want to make sure the fan is off before you pour in a good amount of drain cleaner or whatever product you're using to prime the drain. This helps get everything flowing right again and avoids any air pockets that mess up the system. Florida's humidity means there's often a lot of growth inside those lines, so keeping it clean is key. If you don't prime the drain properly, your system might flood the first time it runs during high humidity or long use, which is just not worth it. Always double check that your vacuum is pulling out all that gunk before you add water back. Using a product like DrainSolve works great because it breaks down buildup fast and primes the line well. Keep an eye on your system after maintenance to catch any issues early before they become a flood problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with vacuuming and priming drain lines is skipping the water refill after vacuuming, which can cause airlocks and flooding. Fix this by always pouring enough water or drain cleaner back into the pan to prime the drain properly. Another common issue is running the fan during vacuuming or priming, which disrupts pressure and stops the process from working right. Always turn off the fan before doing any of this work. Lastly, not addressing the heavy buildup in Florida's humid climate means your drain line clogs keep coming back. Regular cleaning with a strong enzymatic cleaner or chemical like DrainSolve helps prevent this for good. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to drain line maintenance and all kinds of home improvement gigs. It also helps contractors connect with people needing work, so everyone gets the job done right without stressing over who to call.